I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a brand ambassador's details page for your store on Shopify. If your brand ambassador's page is trash or you don't know how to make one, I got you. Follow my brand ambassador's details page template down below and watch the money start pouring in. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make the brand ambassador's details page. Now, I do make online dropshipping boutiques pre-made. If you want to buy that will be down below. I'll put a screenshot on the side. Pretty much the store is already made for you. No inventory or shipping required. Now, this is one of the stores I will be making because I need to make more stores. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do this. Now, if you don't know what a brand ambassador is, brand ambassadors tend to have a smaller social media audiences, and generally they purchase the product at a discounted price. Your product, whatever you're selling. Influencers tend to have a larger social media following and generally get the product for free and may even get paid to promote it. They can also make money through promo codes and affiliate programs. So a brand ambassador is pretty much an affiliate program. To make the page, be sure you are logged into your Shopify store, and then you want to click online store. And then you want to scroll down and go to pages on the left side. And then after that, you'll click add page, ambassador program. So you can just name it that, or brand ambassador program, either or. And then this is where you will start to put your details. So as far as details, it's pretty much what you want your brand ambassador program to be about. So you could put like requirements. I spelled that wrong. Oh, I spelled that right. And then put whatever your requirements want to be. Oh, you got to be this age. Oh, you got to do this. You got to make sure you promote this many times a month or a week or a day. You know what I'm saying? You can do requirements. You can do the perks. Like, oh, what type of stuff they're going to get rewarded with, Like, oh, they get a 25% discount or free gifts or get posted on social media. Let's see, get posted on Instagram or get posted on our Instagram. Now, this does look trash. Don't judge me, because if you need the template of my details and the ambassador scripting details, like I said, it will be down below. This is just showing you guys how to make the page. So pretty much requirements, perks, and then you can put how to apply or something, you know what I'm saying? And usually what I like to do, example, I like to bold all these right here. But like I said, if you don't know what type of details to have for your brand ambassador program, like I said, you can get my template down below, copy and paste, tweak it to however you want to have it, your liking, So let's just say that's it. We'll click, can we bold this? Bold, no you can't, okay, I don't know. Okay, we'll click save. I think that's already bold. Now to add this page to your store, your website, you'll click add it to your store's navigation right here. You'll click that. And then you'll click right here. It'll be part of your main menu. Now I like to add it to my main menu and my footer menu. My main menu and my footer menu, which means like the top of your website and the bottom. So you'll click add item and then like to click the link and do ambassador, type that in. It'll pop right up. Ambassador program, and they'll name it for you as well. Click add, save menu. Now I want to go back and add it to my footer menu. So I'll click add menu, and like I said, do the same thing, type it in, ambassador program, save. Now if you want to know what that's going to look like, I'm going to show you. You'll click online store. Now, I haven't customized my store at all. I'm just trying to show you guys what the ambassador page will look like on your Shopify store. I don't like that theme, so I'm going to go to explore free themes. And then let's just say I'm going to use this one, add to theme library. And then I'm going to click customize. Is it added yet? It says adding. It's not added yet. Okay, right here, still loading. So after that is done loading, I'm going to click customize, and I'm going to show you guys the ambassador program details page. Once it's done loading, come on. Okay, just add it. You'll click customize, right? And I like to click mobile view right here at the right hand corner because most people are on their phones shopping. And this is a lot of stuff. So text cards, we'll exit that out, that, that. Okay. So pretty much this is what the store will look like. It's not done. I haven't created it yet. It's going to be like a lingerie store. But like I said, you'll click right here, these 3 lines. That's the menu. And you can edit these right here, but it'll say ambassador program. And look, there you go. It says right here, ambassador program. Pretty much the page that we made. So that's pretty much how you make the ambassador details program page. Now if you were to go back, let's see if it's added to the footer menu. And it is. So this right here, these 3 lines is the main menu, and you scroll down for ambassador program right here, and it's also at the footer menu just to make it easier for your customers. That is pretty much how you make the ambassador details program page. So also, I mean, if you want to leave the actual link to have them sign up, you can link that as well. Just go to the Shopify app store, type in affiliate, and then ambassador apps will pop up to sync to your Shopify store. But like I said, if you still need help with this, guys, check the link in the description. I do have my ambassador program script and details. It's a template. You can copy my script, copy my template. You can use it, but be sure to change up the words to your liking or to your niche, your brand, your audience. It's not just for clothing boutique. It's whatever business you have: lashes, hair, shoes, t-shirts. You know what I'm saying? Having a brand ambassador program can help bring in sales for your business. It can increase sales, especially if you don't have like a lot of money to pay influencers, because they get to the bag. Like, they are expensive. I'm talking like not $200, $300, but we're talking thousands. Okay, so try having a brand ambassador program if you are having trouble with your business and getting sales. So that is pretty much all I have for you guys for today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. And remember, you get in what you put in. Peace.